Good morning, everybody. I'm starting off today's video with a grocery haul. It is going to be a new series here on my channel. Livy's just over there eating a banana and Blake's eating a popsicle because she helped me with groceries today. I'm gonna do a new series on my channel where I start cooking two new recipes for supper every single week. So every single week you will get a brand new recipe for supper to make for you or your family or whoever you feel like, because I feel like I'm always in a rut in terms of what to cook for dinner, like all the time. So, and I really love to cook, and I think we just get so busy that we get stuck eating the same things. And although it's kind of nice to have family favorites, it's also nice to switch it up. I have a million cookbooks I never use, and I'm just ready to try some new recipes. I'm also ready to start eating healthier. I know it's so cliche to be like eating healthier in 2020, but I really just want to get back to eating more, not always keto, because I do believe that carbohydrates are very important, but just eating healthier, more organic, and a little bit more on the keto side here and there, just to get my body back in shape. Because I don't know about you guys, but since Christmas my diet's been terrible. I've been eating like ice cream, chocolate, like almost every day, and I feel a little extra pudgy these days. So I just want to get back on healthy eating and cooking for you guys. I am not changing my diet because I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant. I actually am currently on my girly thing, so I don't feel so great, but I'm just gonna show you guys all the groceries, and I want to really just eat healthier and have my girls eat healthier and just feel better in general. I think it's so important. I'm also gonna start exercising too, but I hope you guys like this new series where you get new recipes. I'm really excited because I love to cook, so it's kind of exciting for me to do 2 new recipes a week. Any more than 2 felt like a little bit too much, and 1 didn't feel like enough, so I think 2 is the perfect amount. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'm gonna show you all of the groceries that we got for the week. Miss B is still in her pajamas, and she ate her whole popsicle. Good girl. Okay, so I kind of have the groceries all over the place, so bear with me. But the first thing I got for a recipe tonight that I'm going to be sharing with you is this beef top sirloin steak. This is cap steak, which just means that the cap is on it, so you can just cut it off. But it's AAA Angus beef, so we're going to make a delicious supper out of that. I got some lean ground beef. We have green leaf lettuce, because I'm still nervous about buying romaine because it's always been kind of recalled, and I don't know how I feel about that. So just to be safe, I get green lettuce and some iceberg for like lettuce wraps and stuff like that. I just got a couple of fruit pouches for Miss B and Miss Olivia. Dawn dish soap. I got these Nature's Bakery bars for Blake. She loves them. Lara bars, some Dijon for a recipe, organic chicken broth, coffee, H&M grain tortillas, and I'm not buying the white tortillas anymore. I don't care if my husband freaks out. He won't freak out, but he loves white tortillas, and I'm not doing it anymore. We got to eat healthier, so he's just gonna have to deal with that. Paper towels. I got some formula for Livy for only when I'm away because I can't pump enough for her. I got some Silk almond, vanilla, and hazelnut, Parmesan cheese, cottage cheese, coconut Greek yogurt. This one I accidentally got fat-free, but fat-free anything is actually really bad for you. You should actually get at least 2% or full fat. So that's a bummer, but that's okay. 2 things of hummus, because we eat a ton of hummus in this house. We have 2% Greek yogurt for a recipe tonight, or tomorrow night. Marbled cheese, mozzarella cheese, pickles, cornstarch, rice vinegar, tomato paste, pad thai sauce, sandwich baggies, Vinta crackers, cucumbers, another fruit pouch, cereal for Livy, bananas, eggs that have omega-3, chicken raised without antibiotics, Renee's Homestyle Ranch, it's the best ranch, coleslaw, broccoli, mushrooms, fresh thyme, green onions. These are field roast artificial sausages. So they're not meat, they're actually vegetable, and that's Italian. And then I got this smoked apple sauce. I thought that was really good, so I might cook up one of those with some eggs this morning. Zucchini, raspberries, avocados, tomatoes, and then we just got the girls some diapers. Oh, sorry, baby. We got the girls some diapers.
I don't want that movie.
You don't want that movie? Okay.
What is it, Mommy?
It's called Eat, Pray, Love. I was watching Eat, Pray, Love last night. It's a really good movie if you guys haven't seen it. But I'm gonna put all this away and then I'll see you guys for when we cook and do a little bit of meal prep.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
That you're gonna need for this are some steak. I just got beef top sirloin steak, some red onion, tomato puree, garlic. You can use teriyaki sauce, but honestly when I got pickup they substituted for pad thai, so we will see how this turns out, and brown sugar. And on the potatoes, I just use olive oil and any kind of Greek style seasoning. It's so delicious. So while the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna grill up the steaks with some onion and, optional, but my little cooking friend here, a beer.
Right, just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
More of the pad thai sauce because it was a little too tomatoey, so I would add a little bit more of this to make sure. So these are the ingredients you need for your Caesar salad. It's seriously so easy. You just need mayo, Worcestershire sauce, I can't say that, olive oil, Dijon, garlic, lemon juice, best Caesar dressing you will ever have in your entire life. I will guarantee it.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Okay, so this is Blake. She just has a little bit of the meat, some cheese, Caesar salad, green beans, and the potatoes. Livy, my 9-month-old, by the way, Blake's 2.5. My 9-month-old gets some potatoes, cheese, and some green beans. This is mine, and this is my husband, so we will let you know how it is. So Olivia loves these French fries, and they're healthy. She loves them. Blake so far is just eating her cheese, but we'll let you know if she likes her steak. Colin tried the steak. What do you think? It's really good. And yeah, I think I like this recipe. So for that recipe, I doubled the recipe, but I would actually use less tomato paste. And it actually tasted pretty good with the, we were supposed to use teriyaki sauce, but I used pad thai sauce. It tasted really good too, but you could still use the teriyaki sauce. So I'm gonna put the original. It's okay, she's quaky. She wants to have a bath and go to bed. You can use the pad thai, it was delicious, but I would use just a little bit less tomato paste, but it was delicious. And this one's a little cranky, aren't you? But Colin loved it. I really liked it. The potatoes are really good. This is real mom life, y'all. And the Caesar is really good. It's okay. So I would highly recommend it. So I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a little bit different, but I feel like we're all, as moms, just like, everything's what's for supper, what's for supper, and I don't want this, and yes. And I'm sick of that, so I'm hoping to give you all some inspiration so we can all cook new things for our family. So I give that out of 10, I'd probably give it a 7. It was okay, it was pretty good. Colin liked it a little bit more than I did, but it was delicious. So let me know if you guys tried it. Tag me on Instagram in your stories if you did make it. I'll leave my Instagram handle down below, and I apologize, it's loud. Blake's watching Boss Baby in the background. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next Cook With Me video.